my people. It is 2021. That's wild. That's wild. It was the shortest, longest year I think I have ever experienced in my entire life. Happy New Year and happy holidays. I hope that you guys, got to spend it safely with your families. I hope that you are all happy and healthy wherever you may be in the world. And I really wanted to thank you guys for all of the love and the support that you've been showing me this past month. For those of you who don't know, I decided to do Vlogmas this year, and it's really fun to think back at it now, because I thought, who in the world is gonna watch? I think I ended up, this is my 12th video of Vlogmas, and I was like, who is gonna watch 12 videos? Now that I think about it, there was a part of it that had that fear at the back of my head, but there was another part of it that was just like, you know what, it. I'm gonna upload the videos, and whoever decides to see them, whoever decides to watch them, for whatever reason they might do that, I'm just gonna appreciate it. So it was probably the most fun I've had in 2020, if I'm being completely honest with you guys. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your support, and I hope that we can have a really good 2021 together, because I feel like we can go through anything now, like anything else that the universe decides to throw us at this point. I feel like we are heavily equipped and ready for it, but I'm excited to share that part of my life with you guys on a more regular basis now. So if you want to continue watching vlogs from me, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, but it's cool if you don't. We are a chill channel. We are chill people. There's no pressure here. I'm excited to see where this channel grows in 2021. I'm excited to see how I grow as a woman in 2021. And yeah, that's it. Happy New Year, my beautiful people, and let's do this.
Honestly, I'm in the mood to work out, so.
It's 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna do a flow, because if I don't stretch, I'm screwed. Oh my god. I'm sweaty. I'm so sweaty. I'm gonna go shower. We will continue the day. I'm so red. Bertha has subsided. Bertha now has a distant cousin that is developing. So that's that, my friends.
One eternity later.
It is many hours later, and I still have eaten nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I have this really weird thing where I can't cook in the kitchen unless it's like clean. Like clean, like clean by me kind of clean. So say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. have cat hair and I have a pimple growing in my nose. It's so painful, I cry. I'm trying to figure out which one I like more. The shot with the better quality, or do I like the wider shot? I'm trying to still figure it out. This lens is so ridiculously large. I actually put my wide angle lens on my camera when I'm heading out of the house because it just doesn't make sense to have it on otherwise. So that was so good. Really happy that I had that, and I'm happy that I didn't have the other part of that avocado. I'm probably gonna have it for lunch or for like late lunch because my grandparents are coming over with my mom, and that's not gonna happen until probably around 6 o'clock. I think I'm gonna make myself another coffee because I feel like I will be a little bit more productive that way. I have to wash my hair. Should I have coffee first? I'm so sorry. This is not the ASMR that you want. It's not. I'm sorry. First, I'm gonna go in with the vitamin enriched face base from Bobbi Brown. And that's what I'm gonna do. Is this still recording? I really hope so. It smells like, I remember my mom used to have like the big version of this. I'm like not doing anything. My grandparents are coming over. It would be nice for me to look semi-presentable. My skin is just, I went for my facial yesterday and it was phenomenal. I loved it, but my skin has just been like on the ends of something, so I'm gonna cover it all up with the makeup. It could be the makeup too. I just haven't worn it in so long, and now it's just like, excuse me, you are not welcome here. I've had the house to myself today. It has been so lovely. No offense to my family. And I'm trying out this new Real Techniques brush. Heard good things, but I've never been inclined to buy it on its own. I'm just excited to put makeup on my face like post dermaplaning because it's all soft and doesn't have hair on it anymore, which makes me very, very, very happy. I'm gonna put on some Laneige because I love this stuff. Like, it's so good. My poor little lips. Okay, the verdict on the sponge. I don't know yet. I really don't know yet. But I'm gonna go into my Bondi Bay bronzer. But I'm just gonna bronze my face up a little bit. That's dramatic. Bronzing is happening. I'm gonna take this on a Real Techniques 206. I just got this, it's new. I feel like I could have had some more slip to my face. Does that look muddy? That's likely. Oh yeah, I shouldn't have done that. See, that looks better than that side. Oh God, I'm a mess. So I actually have a Nude Sticks all over face color in Oh Honey, or Hey Honey. I don't remember how, I feel like that's too dark for me right now. Maybe if I did this, ooh, okay. Forgot that I had this. Wow, how did I forget about that? Okay, I see you, Mariah. You made some questionable but also not questionable choices in your past. I'm so proud of you. I'm seriously trying to film this before my freaking battery runs out. So I'm gonna take my clear brow gel, which I'm now noticing is apparently all I'm gonna have on my eyebrows because the other stuff is inside. I'm gonna take Sunset Strip and just put like the slightest little bit of it. I'm trying to wear more blush, guys. I'm trying to wear more blush. See, but that's scary. Oh God, what did I do? I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I usually try and do this first, but here we are. Love how I look when I have curled eyelashes. I'm gonna use my Essence matte bronzer. I'm wearing a white shirt, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm just stippling it on like this. Actually, I'm switching to a Real Techniques, what is this called? Blush brush, because it's synthetic and it's not gonna shed all over my face. Then I'm gonna take a Morphe M330. I haven't used this brush in so long, oh God. And I'm just gonna swipe some through my eyes. Now I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna try this out. Amazonian Clay Cheek Wardrobe. This is like their holiday collection. But I'm gonna go into this shade over here. That same bronzer brush. And just do some stippling. Oh God. Ah, do we like? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the blush. However, I'm gonna go into that same palette, but with this highlight shade and a Luxie, oh my God, what number is this? 660 Precision Foundation Brush. I'm gonna go into the highlight, which is called Let It Glow. Actually, that's it for that. I'm just gonna switch the battery and put on mascara, and I'll talk to you guys in a second. Hold on.
He's sleeping. This is the makeup. We love her. I'm just letting my hair air dry. I am gonna curl it because this is just not the mood. I need one of those like trims of desperation is what I call them. I'm not gonna bother making any food right now because my mom's gonna be home and she's probably gonna have a plan. I am withering away, so I need coffee. I'm gonna make an iced coffee because, well, that's just the mood that I'm in. I got more of the soy milk, but I'm gonna do that on a cold foam. Bon appetit! Cheers! We're gonna put some Baileys because it's Friday.